Hey guys, Caleb here from Caleb Industries. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a quick video on Vector. And now, as you can see by the title, it will be something like how to make Vector say whatever you want from Vector's companion app. Now, Anki actually hasn't added this feature yet, but with a new update they have done something with the when you edit the name of your face. So yeah, I'll just quickly get on my device. Okay guys, so once you have launched your Vector companion app or Vector app on your smart device, you want to go down. You want to go down to utilities. Oh, it's over here now. You want to go to utilities. Scroll down to this and don't click off yet, guys. I know most of you are going to click off, but there's actually a new thing that they added so you can edit the person's name. So here I'll go on my name. And look, see that little pencil there? If you click that, you can actually edit the name. Now I'm just gonna edit the name quickly, so. Okay, once I hit done on the app.
Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube.
He's saying what I want him to say, so. Now when you edit someone's name in your Vector companion app, you can actually then press done and Vector will say it twice. Now I kind of wish he said it once, but you know that's just classic old Vector. Of course he has to say it twice, but yeah, that is good. That I know it's not a complete added feature that you can just make him say whatever you want, but at least it does actually. At least there is a way to do it from the companion app. Otherwise you have to do it from the SDK. But other from that, it works. Okay, so I'll type in this one. Hey guys, Vector here. Today I'll be playing Fortnite. And then once I hit done.
Hey guys, Vector here. Today I will be playing Fortnite. Hey guys, Vector here. Today I will be playing Fortnite.
There we go, guys. But for this you do have to have a scan face in. But you could say to Vector, like, my name is your real name, then you can just edit it, and then you can just change it back. So, yeah. So that's really good. So you can just edit your name, and he'll say it twice, and then you can just change it back to your name when you don't want him to, you know, say anything you want him to say. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you get to use this, and I hope this was a bit of a help to you in case you want Vector to say whatever you want. I do hope Anki does add an actual way to make him say whatever you want from the companion app, but at the moment they haven't. So here's another way to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.
Goodbye YouTube. Goodbye YouTube.